Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar in Thunderbird with synchronization. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage all your calendars in one place without constantly switching between different apps or browser tabs. First, you'll want to open your Thunderbird application. Once it launches, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see various icons for different functionalities. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will take you to Thunderbird's calendar view, which is where we'll be setting everything up. Now that you're in the calendar section, you'll need to add a new calendar to your Thunderbird setup. Click on New Calendar to begin the process. This is the starting point for integrating your Google Calendar with Thunderbird, allowing both platforms to sync seamlessly. A dialog box will appear with different options for the type of calendar you want to create. Since we're connecting to Google Calendar, which is an online service, click on the network option. This tells Thunderbird that you're not creating a local calendar stored only on your device, but rather one that's hosted on the internet. After selecting this, click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll see a field labeled Username. This is where you need to input your email address, specifically the Gmail address associated with the Google Calendar you want to sync. Type it in carefully to ensure Thunderbird can locate your calendar correctly. Once you've entered your email address, click Find Calendars. Thunderbird will now connect to your Google account and search for all the calendars associated with that email address. This process might take a moment as it communicates with Google servers to retrieve your calendar information, so just give it a few seconds to complete. After the search finishes, you'll see a list of calendars linked to your Google account. These might include your primary calendar, shared calendars, or any custom calendars you've created. Now choose the calendar you want to subscribe to by checking the checkbox next to it. You can select multiple calendars if you want to sync more than one, which is particularly helpful if you manage different aspects of your life or work with separate calendars. Finally, click Subscribe. This action finalizes the connection between your Google Calendar and Thunderbird. The selected calendar will now appear in your Thunderbird calendar view, and any changes you make in either Google Calendar or Thunderbird will automatically sync between the two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Calendar in Thunderbird with full synchronization, making it easier to stay organized across different platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.